Yo, my dish, I'm watching on our Ziontv Gh said that I and that's one country down Punako for the other. Ziontv just here. I'm one money to say in the addition and the Bremo. And if you are there, Tawasundin, you are soon. But somebody has sent me in your feeding in prayer. You can't want to walk on craft or a bar. Open your end of the bedroom, come on. You're better than a dear child. You can always see us. Other form also Ghpage basis I said I'm going to catch me see about bishia de na yaba opanyimu bi ebia na nya first time I wodi hwani ebia first time I wodi hwani da bia me kam say nipa yo ha no mo na mo a woti wudin a betwewani e be mana bonidin ne na twetwenko chief
Etisan
nyame na adom
Mr. Priyanka if etisan
boko mami gboza wo ya Ramadan ni bi
what's the day
wo ya Ramadan
sanate
wo ya fasting
ya malum pa chief na ba de show grandmaster wo ya malum didin ka say ya malum you see
enti o wona ya fasting ni bia na
any they want to be service ya
oh gafara because me nim say bia o ya fasting on ya fasting chief
agra de ya o pa aduane ntira wo ya fasting
ya find the thing agra wow chief body
chief na ba de show grandmaster na unu be din kumbo sisia na meti ha no chief na ba the spiritual grandmaster mashallah medinu no na medima onu
okay chief my report say abo wonye poisonous almost so kawa like onye hwe
obisa mbe ka kiro say wa na obisa me
e da bia my hwefo
me chief na ba the spiritual grandmaster me pia bontin na me ne ma obisa me ade bia me nkan kiro
da bi ana me kiro say my hwefo yes say python is not a venom like the poison no and venom
we eya ohini
okay
ni wukasa sisi ano what I say
okay
we asisi akura me se o mane nipa na o mane nantwie o ben mane be we mi die adwuma mesima no
okay
bia o ko pese mesima no onko yedwuma ya mesima no o ko yedwuma de mom
okay
so we am fan dia grow
okay chief oko even Ghana has ebi mu 7 as pets so in pets to say knaman okra ene samuamoa no oko your friend say abrofo ni mu kra na your python your white snake your wo bebre ebi mu say enya mystical ability say obi a oye wo no nemum owa eye mystical ability ena ye cobra
okay
de oye say no wona mo ya adwene like me explanation anything na me ba wakache
obisa misumbe ka kiro
okay
say onim ti na obisa
yes
obi nim obi be kire ananya say
no na
we ohini we na ye wo nyina apanyini
okay
me python mi obi bebre
okay
be ya men shada
we na friend python or
broadcast we ohini we na e men na ntwe o men nipa python want me na men nipa want me man na ntwe
da bi wo broadcast no we ya python ba ko ne cobra
we abrofocate the way a python but you kwatwi mu a ohini onyini nya ohini men shada ntwiti
oh okay
spiritual lesson na me
Matias chief mamembra
okay
nti we aside say wo so oyo ohini no e symbolize the idea nti na e wo se eben
sanity we enye life na ogume na me no tuna ha
okay
me forefathers what I say
yes
e bit my cabro for here because I had to say me twi na ya and said that
only problem flow
it's my forefathers what I say umwana umukwa ya na umudi jami papa
okay
sisi amite on me papa wo hobe wa mre
okay so the question is among emuadoma we wiase adenti na owo na o forefathers edija o papa mu
sanate fie busu enu fie busu na edi san yale bebre o hu se nema bi egugugu ha bebre ata se fie busu ntuwe ye be ya memere bia ata se ye wode se ya memere bia we
ni ti ben mi o so ni tin oyo
wo ka say once yesterday
what is so ni tin mami because or what there
prevention
is better than cure
One ball hobby. Try one ball hobby. Right. Okay.
That okay. Okay. Out of all, prevention is better than cure. Or will be or venom or can be see. I feel I catch them say. Adam will say, a bit more chasing Miss Room.
And so it's true.
A bit more perception say spirituality, Mumuye. Say, I come for 70 we know. And it bay track and womb like the same thing. One of my agony.
I need the same thing.
Anything I'm about catching.
Sanity. Chief Nabadi so grandmaster, ya. Min Shadam Pierre Abontin.
Oh, and no, no,
no, make catcher, Obisa me say, me catcher. Okay. But say me bomb me dear and son and me catcher.
Matthias,
what I say? Nippo Braya more, you are say, I'll move me, Pepe, but won't me dear. What I say, buy ye a different from what you are saying. Okay. I don't make catcher. Until Chief Nabadi so grandmaster, I say, Chief Nabadi so grandmaster, Mian and me bit nasi. What I say, Eddie Woody. A friend penny for Nayandi no humbo and son and bit mamma answer. Okay, and then make a friend penny for it. Chief Nabadi so grandmaster, I am friend penny for, but I was saying friend penny for. I don't have problem. Okay. What did I make a churro? Okay. A Juma way. A Juma way, and me. Okay. We start here 2023. Calculating how many years? 2023 now start here. Now say 2023. And yet 2003. Sorry. And no jam me America. 2003. 20 years near me no. I feel I walk outside. But first now 2023 no. Say 23 na there be and I say 2003 na. One of me yes Matthew. Sanity. Nti edwuma we e free. Your forefathers. And yes, I will be our quack a question and our quack G a drew a will be hot. Okay. Your this perception say, Oko is Sirima. You will be on my one nam ding on it. I did be one, but only a powerful. Yashawa. Oh, talisman baby. Okay. I didn't know what talisman baby won. That is good. That is good you asked me. Okay. And I have to answer you. The reason why I wear this one and come out, I was going to some journey. Okay. And then my spirit tell me that this day, I have to tell the whole world to know that Chief Nabadi so grandmaster. Okay. There is something. Okay. You understand what I mean? From here, I have to travel. Okay. I'm going to some place. You understand what I mean? That one to me, sometimes I can wear jalabia. When you see me, you know the person I am. Okay. When I can wear t-shirts. That one is part of everybody's life. Because we have some people. Maybe he's a witch or wizard. Okay. You don't know the person he is. Okay. So all this now, when I prepare my journey. Okay. You understand what I mean? Okay. And I said, let me finish this one before I travel to my journey. Okay. Are you married? You said? Are you married? I'm married plenty. I have 6 wives. So let me ask. During intercourse, do you wear all these stuffs? Okay. You know, all my wives, they know that I'm a spiritual man. Okay. I'm married 6. Wow. 12 children. How old are you? And you said? How old are you? I'm 42 years. 42. And you have 6 wives. And then 12 children. 12 children. Chief Nabadi. They are all at the same house. Yeah. When you come to Manga, then you are asked that you are coming to Chief Nabadi grandmaster house. We'll show you. It's at the roadside. Okay. It's not like you suffer before you get married. Okay, so I asked a question that during intercourse, when you're about to sleep, do you wear all these stuffs? I don't wear this one to sleep. I told you that I want to travel to some place. Okay. And my spirit told me that I should do something. You understand what I mean? Okay. No? Today is our 3rd time interviewing you. Okay. And always we see all these stuffs, like we see the bracelet, the talisman, the waist chain. That's why I'm asking that. If you can see, I beg you, as a presenter, if you can see, I always wear this one and I wear my fugu. Yes. You don't see it. Okay, it's not like the head is coming again. Stop, Agra. Oh, okay. Agra is looking at me. You see the way Agra is looking. Always, I used to wear this one, but I wear my this thing on it, my big zalabia on it. You not see. Understand what I mean? Okay. If I want to travel for a long journey. Okay. So in case you unwear all these stuffs and there is an emergency, someone bring gun. Knife. Will you be able to resist that one is attack? Very simple. You are talking to me. I believe you can see what is worrying me. Watch it. What simple can you see?
No, the question is.
No, I want you to know the symbol on it. What's the symbol? This is what?
That's bullet.
I don't want you to talk much.
Okay.
Chief Nabade Swagger Master, I don't talk much. And I don't want to explain here.
Okay.
When you need Chief Nabade Swagger Master, just call. The only thing need that, just call me and listen what I will explain to you.
Okay. So if that is the case, why then do you need to wear this? If you know that the juju is within you, why should you wear all this stuff? That's why I'm asking.
I know where I'm going.
Oh, okay.
You don't know where I'm going.
Chief, I know there are a lot of stuff here. Can you explain what it does?
To you.
Okay.
All this thing is here. I use it to protect.
Yeah, just explain them so that
you know the shop. It's different. 5. The shop.
Okay.
I have it different 5. And it's with me.
And what's the purpose?
And it's with me.
Okay.
You understand what I mean? This one. Maybe we are outside. Your papers. It's not going well.
Okay.
Or your papers spoiled. Promise and fail.
Okay.
Understand what I mean?
Yes.
It works. The only thing that I'll need your name and what I'll perform to mix to the show.
Okay.
First, to send it for you or to give it to you for to bath. Okay. When you bath, any dead sitting inside your body, it will come out. Fibia or what? Once I achieve Nabade Swagger Master, yeah, they are minty brofo. But spirit in interest, I mean, Madina men can and crank.
Me to ask and one I walk on.
Soap we, median bri. To a Dalia. If you be a war, and not the old pebia, then here say, Udin, I mean here.
Okay.
And I won't cast me mix a soap where they are more no Dalia. We and no.
And I mean, a quite bear sooner. If you a year feeding me with you, no, but my saka me papers.
Okay. So I will be some of home. Soap on me catch and say, the name of the brain.
Yes.
So papers ask what I say. Ebia, Balok be a diwich.
Okay.
What is the make catch? They say, we are here. No, you come to fresh.
Yes.
Or you don't understand me?
I understand.
Maybe when you are dirty and just bath, you will see that your body is fresh.
Okay.
So this one, I used to do that one.
All right.
I cannot stand here and mention those of these things.
Oh, okay.
And you see this palo.
Yes.
I used to do a lot of things.
Okay.
You see it like this. Chief Nabade Swagger Master. That is why you ask me first thing.
Yeah.
Why did I wear this thing?
Yes.
I know the reason why I did it like this.
Okay.
To do my things.
Okay.
This padlock. I used to do more things.
Okay.
If like you have a case, court case.
But this looks like normal padlock.
Yeah, I will not dress it. That's why it is.
So, normal padlock, the estimate me akwa to be your store, and I mean, you see the lock it down.
If you can see, you see that you see something on it. Hold it. Can you hold it?
Oh, if you want me to hold it, I can hold it.
Have you seen what is going on? This is what I used to do. Maybe you have a court case, land matters,
yes.
Travel matters. What is your problem?
Okay.
Promise and fail. This one I used to do it.
Okay.
And those things are lying down here. I used to do more things.
So just explain.
Let me explain to you. That is why I say I don't want to talk, but I'll talk.
Okay.
I have to talk. Have you seen all lying down there?
Yes.
I used to do diabetes.
Diabetes. You use all these stuff for diabetes?
It's different. This one is diabetes.
So how does it cure diabetes?
I use it diabetes. And I use this one too to hepatitis B.
So the question now, like I'm even confused. The question is, how do you use this to cure diabetes?
Chief Nabade Swagger Master, that is why I always tell you, I don't want to talk much.
No, not the talking much. You need to explain. You see that, hey, the snake, please hold it well.
You have to vex. You have to vex.
Okay.
You are the one let him to vex.
Why am I the one?
Yeah.
Because I'm asking you questions. No, you have to explain to my viewers to understand what you are claiming. So that's why I asked that. How does this help cure diabetes? Because if you go to hospital, no, let me explain something.
Okay.
If you go to hospital, the doctor needs to diagnose you, know your problem. Okay. Like they will take some petty items from you, send it to the laboratory, and just do your diagnose you before they will come out with a solution. The question is, how do you use this herb to cure diabetes?
Thank you very much. When you come to Chief Nabade Swagger Master, I have the spirit that I'll call that spirit.
Okay, Chief, hold your snake, please.
No, he'll not do anything.
The way the snake is deep.
No, he's telling me some story.
No.
That's why. He'll not do anything.
What is he telling you?
So when you come to Chief Nabade's program, Master,
okay.
I have the spirit that I used to call the spirit. So the spirit will explain. The only thing that will need your name. Maybe if you have a sickness, you don't know what is going on. So I'm a doctor. Okay. I'm like a doctor.
Okay.
So when you come to me, I'll call the spirit and they will tell me that, tell the person that come to you that there is diabetes.
Okay.
With
Chief, Mama say kawa bi kura.
Sanity.
I didn't think kawa ni kura.
Kawa, I say kawa bebre ekram.
Yes.
What's the name na che mensa? Ebia wa na djuma eye.
Okay.
Hwe kawa no.
Edosun.
Edosun.
Yes.
Na wo mensa.
Yes.
Chief Nabade's grandmaster, me di kawa no ba kwa de mo. Dabi wait.
What the mami?
Dabi wamba. Dabi me pese o hu ni djuma.
Okay.
Kawa nyina ehye me ho no. Ni nyina wa ni djuma ehye wo.
Okay.
What I say?
Yes.
To me more baako. And I'll pay me.
Oh, me problem. No, voodoo system no. Very risky. Man, who need the purpose? See, I need to know the purpose of
the protection.
Okay, protection.
Protection to say ube to
No, I need to understand all this stuff.
I want you to see the work before.
Oh, okay.
See the work
before. No, unless like let me put it.
Okay. Okay, fashion sir. Fashion sir.
No, the thing is hot.
Fashion sir.
That thing is hot. So
it's my hand. Can't you see it's splitting?
No, I don't know. Wow. Chief,
you go on and say.
That be all joke aside. Kawana say asemi. Kawana say. Obi pa me try. Bra. Me person ma. Bra no try. Bra never tried because yes. Because me kwadi aga obeka kire me. I had a regimented basic cheap bobo number. I did Kawaneshi.
Number was scream. Wow. We are Chief Nabade's program stuff friend. Number I was scream.
Wow. Chief, yeah, out of 400 regimented basic Kawanashimi. All joke aside. We are coming in. Bye bye.